Ilze, the floor is yours, and the time starts now.
Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. I'm very glad to be here, and I present a company which is really happy of doing what we are really doing. And it was possible because of support initial from European Space Agency, which believed in our idea, which we developed together with a forest company, maybe many forest companies even, because at that time we were interviewing and trying to find different ideas where satellite imagery data can be valuable. And so basically we are providing satellite imagery derived services and trying to be as fast as possible with data and information delivery and as accurate as possible. For example, so forest is one of examples where industry needs constant monitoring, and there are many different risk factors which are influencing forest resources every day. And okay, monitoring is possible because there are lots and lots of satellite imagery data, and there are terabytes of data which needs certain infrastructure how to monitor it. And this was a key for our case, how we could provide commercial services. We built this infrastructure which provides all the necessary steps and tools and features for data access, data processing, data running algorithms and delivery results to different industries. And here are examples of this platform, which is the key why we can deliver near real-time data every day. For instance, we make map of satellite images, and it's updating daily. Then we use it also for different applications, and one is forest monitoring, where we deliver information for forest companies like clear cutting, windfalls, some illnesses. Now bark beetles is a big problem, so again we are targeting this problem and delivering very timely results. Also beaver dams, for instance, are influencing forest. We can deliver this information as well, very fast way. Another application where you can also go and click the link and look how it looks like is flood monitoring. We combine Internet of Things, sensors, and also satellite imagery data, and provide this solution for municipalities, for firefighters, for operational, for different utility networks, which can immediately tell which infrastructure objects are influenced. Another example is fire detection software, which also integrates Copernicus emergency indexes, which can predict areas of high fire risk. Also another example of satellite imagery application in cities, where you can manage, for instance, see differences in green areas and etc. So this is all from me, and here I provide the links to our demonstrating this software, and where you can click each link and see how it works. And if you are from, I don't know, different any industry, and you have any idea how can you also use your satellite imagery in your industry, in your daily operations, please contact us, and we are very open for different new collaborations and new innovations. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ilze. Round of applause. Yes, just to make you feel easier, this is not investment pitch, or this is just a showcasing pitch. So you are not being valued or anything. So this is just for rest of us to learn more about your area. Yeah. So anyways, if there are questions, yes, you're welcome. Microphone?
Yeah, the microphone is, okay, Stow. So the name of the company is something with radar, but all the images you showed are electro-optic. So do you do something with radar?
No, it's a Baltic Satellite Service is the name of the company, and we work with radar data, with optical data,
So it says something radar on the screen. there.
it's
Forest radar.
Forest radar is technology, and that's our product line under which we are building different applications. And the name of this technology is Forest Radar.
But it's not with SAR or radar. It's electro-optic. I'm just asking.
We use satellite radar, satellite imagery also, like Sentinel-1 imagery, like Terrasat imagery for these data applications.
Yes, it's mostly optical. Yeah.
So, first thing, very good presentation. The way you're looking at it, so you will provide the service basically to government and municipalities. If that is the case, if I were you, I would look more into use cases, which I could offer those municipalities. For example, you were taking a look at the floods. Now, the floods are a good way of looking at it, but what we know is that also during the winter, or where there's like a lot of downstream of water, then a lot of foliage is starting to create around the bends of and so the municipality has to take care of that situation. So if I were you, I would take a look at more maintenance use cases that we require your data for the city or municipality to work on, and that is something that if I were you, I would do that. Also, I would take a look at roads and infrastructure maintenance of roads. If you have SAR interferometric data, you can start looking at that also, because anyway you're talking to the municipality, anyway you're giving them products. So if you have already that open channel, that is something that I would look at. What other services can I offer them to get a bigger portfolio of use cases?
Very good. Thank you, Ella. That's actually 500,000 worth of ideas, so you should catch up. Ilze, you should at least,
Thank you very much.
Yes. Unfortunately, we don't have much time for questions, only 2 minutes or over that. Let's give a round of applause to Ilze. Thank you very much.